Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna check out how to cash out on Coinbase. Alright, let's not waste any time, let's get right into it. Now the first method is using the Coinbase app. What you need to do is open the Coinbase app, tap the three horizontal lines or the gear icon, tap portfolio, select the cryptocurrency you want to cash out. So if you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or whatever, you can just tap that and then tap sell or cash out. Then enter the amount you want to cash out, choose your cash out method. You want it to go to your bank account, your PayPal, or whatever, you can just tap that and then review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and fees, to make sure everything is in place. And once that is done, tap sell or cash out to complete the transaction, and you're done. You got your money cashed out. Now the second method is to use the Coinbase website. All right, the steps are pretty much the same. You just log into your Coinbase account on the Coinbase website. Go ahead and click on your portfolio in the top navigation bar, select the cryptocurrency you want to cash out, click sell or cash out, then enter the amount you want to cash out, choose your preferred method, and then review the transaction details. You got to make sure everything is in place, and then click sell or cash out. Once that is done, you got your money. Now as we said, there are three methods for cashing out. You can have it cashed out to your bank account, to your PayPal, or you can have wire transfer. So whichever one it is you want to use, you can go ahead. The app allows you to do that, or that the platform allows you to do that. So go ahead and choose that. Now there are two things to take note of here, and that is the fees and limits. Coinbase charges fees for cashing out. So based on the amount you want to cash out, there's a certain fee you're gonna pay. I mean, that's inevitable, so you just take note of that. And there's also a limit. So cash out has a limit on how much you can cash out at once, so you got to take note of what that limit is, and cash out within the limits. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it, if you found it useful. If you did, then don't forget to leave a like, comments on your thought. Let me know what you thought about the video. Share it with your friends so they can also partake of the information, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and of course click that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. That's it for the video, guys. I'll see you next one. Peace.